Dear students, in last three lectures, that is video lecture 7, video lecture 8 and video lecture 9, I came to hereby listen that there is an audio problem while recording the last three lectures, that is video lecture 7, 8 and 9. I am very sorry and I feel very regret about the same. All those three lectures will be sent to you shortly. Once again, by conveying my regret about that particular recording technical problem, today we are going to proceed with the last article from the topic number 4, and that is Wi-Fi. Friends, you are well familiar with the Wi-Fi. Wi-Fi is again a wireless system that is used to transmit and receive the information within a small allotted area, that is within the local area. Wi-Fi means wide fidelity. Wireless local area network means wide area of fidelity that can be used for the different applications. If you are using Wi-Fi modem for the computer, you can connect your mobiles without cable to the internet by using that particular Wi-Fi modem. The purpose is, at a time many devices are going to be gets connected to such a Wi-Fi network. As like Bluetooth, which we have studied yesterday, this Wi-Fi is also a widely used aspect, and that also makes use of the micro radiations for the purpose of the communication. Thus we can say Wi-Fi is a local area wireless computer networking technology. Means without wire one can perform the network. That technology we can call it as it is the Wi-Fi technology that allows electronic devices to connect to the network. As just now I quoted the example that if you have a Wi-Fi modem, many mobiles are going to be connected to that particular Wi-Fi network. One can take advantage of use of internet. Using 2.4 GHz ultra high frequency and 5 GHz super high frequency or radio band. So it works in UHF and SHF band. Wi-Fi means wireless local area network. that is WLAN, means the Wi-Fi. Wi-Fi can be used in PC, means in personal computer. Wi-Fi is used in video game console. Wi-Fi is a part of smartphone. Wi-Fi is a part of digital camera. Wi-Fi is a part of tablet. Wi-Fi is the part of computer. Wi-Fi is a part of digital audio player, etc. So these are the areas where the Wi-Fi can be very easily used. These can connect network resources such as the internet via wireless network access point with the range of 20 meter indoor and greater range outdoor. Hotspot coverage can be as a small room with wall that block the radio wave and large as many adequate kilometer. As many as adequate kilometer by multiple overlapping access point. Dear students, you are using hotspot facility of other mobile to access your internet without wire. So that is also a type of small Wi-Fi connectivity. Wi-Fi is less secure than wired connection. For Wi-Fi, security is less because it does not require physical connection. Unencrypted internet access can be easily detected by user due to this Wi-Fi use encryption technology. Means encryption is necessarily being used in Wi-Fi connectivity network. If the technique is unencrypted, then access can be detected very easily. These must be password protected. It should be certified by IEEE standard. Means Wi-Fi makes use of the password. The devices, the persons who have that particular password, those only going to make use of Wi-Fi connectivity. For others, this facility will not be made available. To connect the Wi-Fi LAN, computer must be equipped with Wi-Fi wireless network interface control. That means Wi-Fi modem. The combination of computer and interface control is called as a station. A carrier wave is used to transmit the data in the form of organized packet. It also works as like a Bluetooth. Bluetooth also works in the packet format in the form of master and slave. Such a networking ability is associated with the Wi-Fi. Now, applications of the Wi-Fi. First one is the internet access. Wi-Fi is used to provide the internet access to the devices within the range of wireless network connected to internet. Means almost all the devices which are within the range of network, Wi-Fi can provide internet access to them. The coverage of one or more interconnected access point can increase the coverage area. Wi-Fi provides service to homes, business, as well as a public access point. The router uses digital subscriber line modem oblique cable modem, and access point can be set up in a home and building to provide internet access and internet working to all the devices connected to them wirelessly or cable. Just now, at the beginning of this particular article only, I was saying that everyone is using Wi-Fi router or modem. If it is there, almost all your mobiles are connected to the internet by using that particular facility. So that is the important application of the first application of the Wi-Fi. Battery powered router includes cellular internet radio modem and Wi-Fi access point. When subscribed to cellular data carrier, they allow nearby Wi-Fi station to access the internet over the network on Android system. Second one is campus-wide Wi-Fi. Campus-wide, particular campus is going to be made Wi-Fi. Means no cabling is required within that particular campus. Automatically, our devices are going to capture when they will enter into that particular campus. City-wide campus. The entire city is going to be made availed with Wi-Fi facility. Then direct computer to computer communication. Means one can communicate directly from one computer to the another computer. Means by using Wi-Fi, you can provide internet access within a small area or within a campus, within a city or directly from one computer to the another computer. Such a facility is known as Wi-Fi facility that also works on the microwave radiations. Dear students, that's all about the meaning of Wi-Fi. And remember, Wi-Fi is likely to be asked only for the shortcuts. Once again, my apologies for video lectures for 7, 8, 9. Those will be sent to you only on the WhatsApp group. Again, those are not repeated on the SPM app, but those are only sent on the WhatsApp group. Some of the students informed me about the audio problem. I am very much thankful for them. Only because of them only I am going to correct that particular audio problem. Please check today's lecture also and please inform me about the same. That's all about topic number 4. Next time we will go for the topic number 5th, that is the last topic.